Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Strandberg, and this is the brand new Sensonic Complete Care from Waterpik. Customize your experience with the tip that's right for you, like the Plaque Seeker tip, orthodontic tip, or classic jet tip. Plug in the device and insert the tip onto the water flosser handle until it clicks. Push the brush head firmly onto the handle. Now, fill the reservoir with lukewarm water and place it back onto the base. With the flow switch off, press the power button. Then select a comfortable pressure. Lean over the sink and place the water flosser tip into your mouth, starting at the back teeth. Keep your thumb on the flow switch to control the water. Turn on the flow switch and glide the tip forward, pausing briefly between each tooth. You can floss a few teeth at a time, turning off the water flow between each section, or let the water flow out continuously. Now it's time to brush. Turn the power on and select your preferred brush setting by pressing the mode button. There's clean, stain removal, or gum care for sensitive areas. Position the Sensonic toothbrush along your gum line at a 45-degree angle. The toothbrush does the work for you, so use light pressure with a small, slow back and forth motion covering 1 or 2 teeth at a time. The quad timer will help guide you with a short pause every 30 seconds, telling you when to move to a different quadrant. The Sensonic Complete Care is a fun and effective way to maximize your oral health.